menopause can be tricky. I wish I'd understood more when I first started my transition about 7 years ago. For one, I would have realized that denial would make it go away. But more importantly, I'd have realized that it's a profound, gradual process that changes not only our hormonal function, but our nervous system, our immune responses, our metabolism, and our psychology to prepare us for a whole new way of being in the world. Now, today, I'm still learning about how to help women transition optimally using nutrition, herbal, and lifestyle medicines, as well as the need for individualized approaches and perspectives. So, I've embedded lots of insights and effective, actionable knowledge into a 12-week program called Shape Your Menopause. And this is really to support your holistic, step by step adaptation through this powerful maturation process. And I'm really excited to invite you to join us to take the reins of your important transformation.